Power of levels again in gold when gold failed to break past 1965 levels on the upside. In the Asia session update today morning, we have discussed that it is a no trade zone between 1954 and 1965, and precisely it has returned from 1965 levels, now trading at 1954, which is again a very good support. At the same time, silver has also seen a good swing and 2470 proven out to be a good resistance. This also we discussed. Now, what to expect with the US session, which position you should take in order to profit trading gold and silver, we will see with the help of charts and indicators. And if you appreciate the effort, do press the like button. That's a great motivation for me. Also share, subscribe and comment. That's a great help. Yes, those who are new to the channel should press the bell icon so that you can remain updated with the twice a day analysis. This is the second update for the day. Those who watched the first update definitely would have profited. With that, let's start. First, we'll look into gold, followed with silver. Do watch till the end. Also, you can remain updated with the market analysis by joining my free Telegram channel. The link is mentioned in the channel and video description. Now, see how gold has behaved throughout this day. We have seen that it is trading in this bearish channel, and now the bottom of this channel is at around 1950 levels. Yes, that is a level where it is going to get maximum support. Also, on the upside, if you look at the hourly charts, you will find, see, multiple candles tried to break past 1965, failed to do so. We have seen gold reversing. Thus, it is again a no trade zone between 1954 and 1965 levels. In fact, on the downside, 1950 is a great support. Touching those levels also, we can see it reversing, and hence you have to be cautious. A stochastic looking down here, the MACD again willing to converge and cross over for a sell entry. However, it has not yet crossed. Stochastic RSI looking down here. Coming to 2-hour charts, on the 2-hour charts also similar is the observation. It has just crossed over the moving averages, have crossed over here. Prices which are divergent from the moving average have converged and touched the 50 period moving average before looking forward to a downside. And also now if you look at, it is forming a double bottom, and hence I will be watchful and cautious here, because see, only bearishness now, once it breaks below 1950 level, we can see more bearishness will be seen as drop, retracement, drop, and it can consolidate here before looking forward to an up move. Possibility exists for an up move also. A stochastic dropping, MACD again willing to converge crossover. This is, see, I will wait for the next wave here. Right now it is not in a mood to give this wave. I will wait for it. RSI looking down here. Coming to the 3-hour charts. On the 3-hour charts also similar observation. You can see this trading in this bearish channel, and a possible breakout is only and only if it breaks or trades above 1965 levels, where I will look forward to 1973 and plus levels. Else you can see 1950 is also great support if it drops below 1954. Stochastic looking down, MACD again diverging. It is not willing to give the second or the second leg of this wave. I will wait for this crossover here. RSI looking down. On the 4-hour charts, likewise, similar observation. Is still trading between the 20-50 100 period moving average. A sell entry below 1954 can be taken, or rather you should wait for yesterday's low, that is at around 1953, but then you will not get much of it. 1950 is the next and immediate support. 1950, 45 and 40 are three major supports. 45, 46.5 levels I will say, and on the upside 40, 41, this is the zone where it is going to get maximum support, if and only if it stays below 1950. Stochastic looking down, MACD is again trading bearish. RSI is also looking down here. Coming to the daily charts. Now look at the daily charts. See, first of all, lower highs are seen. It is getting a down pull. Yes, there is a very strong support here at 1950 levels from 20 and 50 period moving average. Remember, the 20 and 50 period moving average already trading one over other, which means still there is bullishness. It might try to get the support either from 1950 or from 1945 levels. In fact, 1940 is also great support. Achieving those levels, it can possibly bounce back. We have to be watchful here. At the same time, now when we know that 1953, you can buy today at 1960 here, where you can expect 1964, 1968, 1970 to 73 zone. Now see, the stochastic has dropped to oversold levels. The MACD is converging, willing to cross over for sell. It is still in green. RSI is flat. Considering this for the day, I will recommend you to sell now at 1953 level and buy at 1960. If you are buying at 1960, remember one point that 1964, which is a great resistance, it is the top of the channel, 64, 65 levels we have discussed today morning also. Great resistance here. Beyond that, 1968 and then 70 to 73 levels. If these three levels are broken, then gold will enter into a buy zone, and from here it is going to fly high till towards 85 and then 2000 levels. So this is one observation. Else there is all the probability right now it is looking down, and remember there is a very strong support at around 1950 levels. Hence take trade with caution, trade with a stop loss. Let's have a look at silver. And before we proceed to silver, if you want to learn this art of trading, want to learn the tools, techniques and strategies which can help you identify profitable trades, you should join my mentorship batch. The 24th batch is going to start on first week of August. You can register yourself now itself, enroll yourself now itself, such that you can enrich yourself with the learnings and the strategies which can help you become a profitable trader. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. With that, let's start with silver. If you look at silver on the hourly charts first, you can see that it has gone to the resistance levels. Most important, it has breached past 2460, which was a good resistance, and went till towards 2470 levels. Yes, these are also 20, 50, 100 period moving averages. Now, if you look at silver, see bottom was created here. Since then, it is trying to trade bullish. You can see, you can connect the dots and you will find out it is still trading in this bullish channel. Now, again, I will recommend you to buy at 2460 and expect 2480 levels this time. In fact, it can fly beyond 2480 also. At the same time, a sell entry only I will recommend is below 2440, where you can expect 2430, 2420 levels as the next support. Also look at, see the stochastic is dropping, MACD is bullish, it is willing to converge, it is not yet crossed over, it is still bullish. RSI is looking downwards, which is indicating slight bearishness. Same observation on the 2-hour chart. See, it is created the bottom here, it is trying to reach the highs of this 2480, 25, 2490, possibly in fact $25 levels are achievable. But let's see if it sustains on the upside. Stochastic dropping, MACD has crossed over, trading with divergence and bullishness looking upwards. It may try to continue for a while. RSI looking down, indicating slight bearishness. Coming to the 3-hour charts. On the 3-hour chart, there is a bearish cross between the 20 and 50, indicating slight bearishness. Also, now look at the 3-hour candles here. Higher lows are done. Now this might try to lift the prices little up. Hence buy at 2460. But then 2470, 2480, 2490, 25. Every 10 cents there is a resistance. I cannot avoid it. I have to mention these levels. Up to you to keep holding or put a trailing stop loss. Money is yours and call should be yours. I can only mention that there are resistances at every 10 cents. Stochastic at high, MACD has crossed over for a buy entry here on the 3-hour charts. Good sign for silver here. RSI almost flat, and on the 4-hour charts, if you look, now on the 4-hour charts, the previous candle was an indecision candle. It has started here flat, so possibility for a rise from here exists and exists strong. Stochastic flat, MACD willing to converge crossover. It is not yet crossed over yet. RSI is flat here. Coming to the daily charts, on the daily charts also, see a reversal in silver is confirmed only and only if you see it trading below 2420 levels, below which a sharp drop till towards 2380, 2350 levels can be expected. Like what we had seen on gold, silver has also given lower highs and now waiting for lower lows, which means it can try to touch $24 levels also. Be careful here. Stochastic is oversold, MACD willing to cross over for sell, it is still in green, and RSI is near to top. So considering this, you can buy at 2460 and sell at 2440 levels. But remember, only if it breaks below 2420 it is bearish, and only if it breaks above $25 levels it is a reversal. In between this zone you have to put a trailing stop loss in order to protect your capital. Trade accordingly, trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Before leaving the video, just press the like button, do share, subscribe and comment, and do not forget to press the bell icon, join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel. Reach out to me for any of your trading or training queries. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.